Imagine this: Skill Academy, an e-learning institute used by thousands of teachers and students alike. Typically, the student living in the dark ages would have to create an account on the e-learning platform, which would be separate from their college account. And the absence of an adequate user management system leads to delays, forgotten credentials, and a frustrated support staff. But what if, at the turn of the century, the college uses a centralized user management system built right into their Drupal site? Let's say Adam takes up a subject. Maybe it's a course on AI using Python, and the video lectures are to be delivered by a Skill Academy. By leveraging powerful features like automated provisioning, the college can easily, automatically create his account on Skill Academy, grant the necessary permissions, and assign courses pertinent to his subject. And what happens when the student graduates? His account is automatically deprovisioned. Before we see how this works, let's understand some industry jargons. Skim Client. It is a site where all the user data is stored and managed by the operators. Skim Server is a site where any operation done on the client side, like user creation, deletion, or any changes in between, are automatically reflected on the server side. Then, we have automatic provisioning. It allows Skim Client to handle user profile creation and deletion without manual intervention. However, if you like to play your part in preventing AI taking over the world, there's manual provisioning. Here, the operator manually enters an email ID or username to either create or delete user profiles. Group provisioning is a process of creating and managing groups of users and their access rights. It is automatically synced on Skim server side. Now that the terms are clear, let's hop on to the actual configuration. Adam's college portal Skim Client collects the base URL and token ID from Skill Academy, which is a Skim server, and pastes it on the college portal side. After this, Skill Academy, the server, validates the requests and creates Adam's account. Next, College Portal starts adding attributes for the user, in this case Adam, to create a profile. Now we can configure a couple of options that can make your life easier. You can choose how you like the provisioning to be triggered, either manually or automatically, whichever fits your use case. Next, if you prefer, you can also choose to apply role filters. That is, only provision a list of roles. Now it's time to enable group provisioning, which means the roles assigned to Adam are automatically synced to Skill Academy. For example, Adam will be provided access to his desired subject in course that he opted for, that is AI using Python. That's all you need to set up a user lifecycle management system in Drupal. Let's see this in action, shall we? For this, all you need to do is enter username and password on the client side, then assign in the role and click on Create Account. And voila! Adam's profile is automatically created on Skill Academy with necessary access. This shows exactly how powerful and beneficial a user provisioning and sync solution can be. For more information, drop us a mail at drupalsupport@securify.com. Thank you for watching the video.